look familiar? Hi, I'm a Food Gloves representative. Are you tired? Are you tired of making the same messy mistakes?
What do I do? Hey there, I'm here to introduce a great new product, the Food Glove! The Food Glove is non-stick. It's easy to clean.
One day you're doing just fine, and then...
Get in to a delicious pie. No problem at all. These puddings, how do you eat that with a fork? You just can't. You just can't eat it with a fork. With the Food Glove, it's easy. It's easy to do with a fork. This yogurt, oh, my fork isn't holding my yogurt. Who cares? Easy as that. Look at that. Pudding, easy as pie. Bigger pie, more pie. Nothing poses a challenge to the Food Glove. No problem at all. Here. Why don't you reach in that? Nope, other one.
This is gonna save my marriage.
Easy to put on. Give the sauce a taste. Look at that. This goes down no problem. That would take you hours with a fork. Hours! You could not do this without the Food Glove. Take a pudding. Try a pudding.
Please give my compliments to the chef.
Look at that. Can't do that with a fork. Thank you, Food Glove.
Shake your can like a paint can shaking machine, like they have in paint stores.
You think so?
Yes.